Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. If you didn't catch my last video, I recommend you go and check it out. We installed some new fog light bulbs here from Bosla. Shout out again for sending those out. And they are awesome. So make sure you guys go and check out that video. And a couple videos before that, I installed this oil catch can here, and I promised you guys an update on it after it's been a little while. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna take this, unscrew the bottom and just see what's in there and see what all comes out. Just a quick recap. This is the oil catch can that I did install. I can't remember the brand of it off the top of my head, but I will leave a link in the description for you guys below. It does run from right here. It goes back and has a couple of 90-degree elbows, and then it goes in here and back out, and it attaches underneath of the airbox under there. It's kind of hard to see with the airbox still on there, but I'll also pop a tag up so you can actually watch the install video. So let's go ahead and just jump in and see what all this thing has caught. One of the nice things about this catch can is that it does have a little dipstick here, so that's the first thing I'm gonna check. It doesn't look like there's anything on the dipstick yet, but this also doesn't reach all the way to the bottom, so that doesn't mean that there's nothing in there. It just means it's not enough to fully reflect on the dipstick yet. And then the bottom of it unscrews. Okay, so we have caught a decent amount of oil that would have gone back into the intake. So that's a good sign that it's doing its job. I've had this can installed for probably like a month and a half, maybe 2 months. So for it to catch that much oil is, I don't know if I want to say it's good or if it's alarming that that's how much was going back into my intake, but it is good to know that the catch can is doing its job. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find some clear container and dump this in just to take another look at it, make sure there's nothing, like no metal chunks or anything that come out. Off the bat, I don't see anything, but let's just dump it and we'll take a closer look. We have a little just clear container that we had sitting around here. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the oil that's in here and I'm just going to dump it in there so we can take another look at it. Looking at this oil, it actually looks pretty good. There's no like metal shavings, metal chunks or anything. It doesn't look like milky, like coolant is mixed with it. It's oil and it smells like gas too, which is pretty normal for a catch can. So, and I did just do an oil change not long ago, so the oil is looking pretty clean, pretty good. Nothing alarming. It looks like normal oil, so I say we're good to go. Another thing I wanted to mention about this amount of oil, I know I said I've had this catch can for like a month and a half or so, and I just wanted to say, like, I don't drive a ton either. I drive like 40 minutes, maybe 4 days a week, so that's a decent amount of oil for how little I actually drive, how far I drive every day. All right, so the catch can is now empty. I'm just gonna go ahead and reinstall it. It's pretty simple, just reverse of how we did it. Just twist this back on, make sure you put your dipstick back in there. I don't know how long this would actually take to get full, probably like 6 months or so, but I'm not gonna let it go that long. I'll check it every month or two just to make sure that nothing is, you know, alarming or wrong. Make sure that it doesn't get too full. You don't want it to get too full because then it will start going into your intake again. But yeah, I'm just gonna reinstall it and then, all right guys, I do have a question for all of you. I have been thinking about doing some kind of exhaust modification on my Jeep here, but I can't really find anything online that I like the sound of. So if any of you have an exhaust modification on your V6 Jeep Grand Cherokee in general, really, I would love to hear about it. Tell me down below what exactly you did, and maybe in a video coming up soon we will do some sort of exhaust modification. I'm just trying to find what I like before I actually do it, so I don't have to change it again and again and again like Michael did, to find out what exactly I like. If you didn't get that reference, make sure you go check out Michael's channel. He has done a lot of exhaust modifications on his cars, so
Hey.
he's over there doing a cool and flush too. So we're knocking out a couple of videos today. But anyway, let me know in the comments down below what exactly you guys have done to your exhaust. And let me know also if you guys have installed an oil catch can and if you're seeing results like I am. So thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and stay tuned for videos coming real soon. See ya.